Hey kids, welcome to Facts Mocktail. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to discover some amazing birds that lived long ago but are now extinct. These birds were once part of our world, and their stories are both fascinating and educational. That means they aren't around anymore, but their stories are super cool. We can learn so much from them about how the world has changed over time. First up, let's meet the dodo bird. This bird is probably one of the most famous extinct birds. The dodo lived on an island called Mauritius, which is a beautiful tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean. Imagine a big chubby bird with fluffy feathers and a funny hooked beak. They were quite unique and had a very distinct look. They couldn't fly and spent their days waddling around and eating fruits. They were very friendly and curious birds. Sadly, they disappeared about 400 years ago due to hunting and the introduction of new animals to their island. It's a reminder of how important it is to protect wildlife. Next, we have the great auk. This bird was another fascinating creature that once roamed our planet. This bird looked a bit like a penguin, with its black and white feathers and upright posture. They lived in the cold waters of the North Atlantic Ocean, where they thrived in the chilly environment. Great auks were excellent swimmers but couldn't fly either. They used their strong wings to propel themselves underwater. They loved to dive deep in the ocean to catch fish, which was their main source of food. They were very skilled hunters. They went extinct in the mid-1800s due to overhunting and changes in their habitat. It's a sad story, but it teaches us the importance of conservation. Now let's talk about the passenger pigeon. These birds were once incredibly numerous. These birds were small but fast. They could fly at great speeds and were very agile in the air. They used to fly in huge flocks, sometimes making the sky look dark with their numbers. Imagine seeing thousands of birds flying together. Sadly, the last passenger pigeon named Martha died in 1914. Their extinction was a result of massive hunting and habitat destruction. Another fascinating bird is the Carolina parakeet. This bird was known for its vibrant colors. This colorful birdie had bright green feathers and a yellow head. They were very eye-catching and beautiful. They lived in North America and loved to munch on fruits and seeds. They played an important role in their ecosystem. Sadly, they disappeared in the early 1900s due to habitat loss and hunting. Their story reminds us of the delicate balance in nature. And finally, let's not forget the moa from New Zealand. These birds were truly giants. These were giant birds, some as tall as a double-decker bus. They were one of the largest birds to ever exist. They had long necks and strong legs, but guess what? They couldn't fly either. They roamed the forests and grasslands of New Zealand. Moas went extinct around 600 years ago, likely due to overhunting by humans. Their story is a powerful lesson in the impact humans can have on wildlife. Isn't it amazing to learn about these incredible birds? Each one has a unique story that helps us understand the past. Even though they're not around anymore, their stories teach us a lot about the past. We can learn about how they lived, what they ate, and why they disappeared. Remember to always be kind to animals and take care of nature. Thanks for watching, kids. Let's all do our part to protect the animals that are still with us. If you enjoyed learning about extinct birds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun facts with Facts Mocktail. See you next time. Keep exploring and learning. Bye. #ExtinctBirds, #FunFacts, 4Kids, #BirdLovers, #Educational Videos, #Facts, Mocktail, #Kids, Learning, #Animal Facts.